All right. My OPPO Find N2 Flip just arrived.
It looks okay, but isn't it too fragile?
Don't worry, it's been tested like a zillion times. Wow, you can barely even see the crease.
Fine, can't see a crease, but what about the cameras?
Don't worry. It's hard to beat this camera's quality.
Okay, but
What's this for? Isn't it just a gimmick?
I'll show you.
Amazing! But I need a phone with a big battery.
Way ahead of you. It might be small, but its battery lasts all day. It's a 4,300 milliamp hour large battery. Hey! Plus, you can charge to full power in less than an hour. Wow, that rhymes.
Flippin' unbelievable!